If you want a hearty meal for any time of the day, make this tender cornbread meatloaf. Learn how to make it with the help of this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Into a large bowl, add the cornbread stuffing mix, ground beef, ground pork, red onions, green bell peppers, tomatoes, eggs, salt, garlic seasoning, herb seasoning, and ground black pepper. Mix until evenly incorporated. Transfer the mixture into a greased loaf pan, then flatten and spread evenly. Bake for 45 minutes to an hour or until cooked through. Then, let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. Serve with brown gravy, garnished with chopped parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.